In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate Elementor pages, posts,
and templates.
So first of all, what do you need to complete this project? Well, apart from WordPress, you need a WordPress theme. You may use Astra, the free version will do, and you need Elementor, and once again, you can use the free version. Now, if you insist on getting Elementor Pro, I've put a handy link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so it means that I do get a commission if you purchase after clicking on my link, but I only recommend Elementor Pro because I absolutely love this tool and use it each and every day. Oh, and you also need another free plugin, but we'll talk about that in a moment. Okay, so in the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. And we're going to look for a plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor. So click on Install Now. Next, click on Activate. Okay, so now our plugin is activated. Next, click on Settings. And the first thing we want to do is go to the elements. Now, you may enable or disable the elements you need or don't need. Currently, I don't need any of those elements, so I'm going to disable all. And make sure you click on Save Settings. Now, if you want to know more about essential add-ons, I've created a video. So I'll put the link in the description below and probably somewhere here in the card. Okay, next, let's move on to the Extensions tab. So click on Extensions. And where you see Duplicator, we're going to activate it. And before we click on Save Settings, click on Settings here and select All, so Post and Page. So click OK, and then click on Save Settings. Okay, and now let's move on to All Pages. And now when I hover over the name of the page, I can see EA Duplicator here. And the same thing will happen for the post and for the templates. So if I click on EA Duplicator, as you can see, it just created a draft. So now, usually what I do is I click on Quick Edit so I can change the name. And I'm going to just call it Home New Clone, click on Update. So at least I know which file I'm working on because they have the exact same name. Okay, now I can click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, and now I can start editing my page. So it's going to be an orange, and I'm going to change the color of the button also, this color here. Let's publish. Okay, and now if I preview, okay, so that's my clone page, and this is the original page. That was easy, right? Now let's do the same for Elementor templates. So let's go to Elementor, Save Templates. And as you can see, I have a template. So let's take a look. Let's look at what I've created. So basically, it's just like the home page. I just removed the hero section just to show you the difference. So this is really an Elementor template. It's not a page. It's a template that you can use for any type of content you want. So this is our template. So my templates. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click on EA Duplicator. Now it created a draft. I'm going to click on Quick Edit. So it's going to be my template clone. And by default, it will put all the elements in the library. So if you want to go back to the previous view, click on Save Templates. Okay, so this is my draft, my template clone. Now I can click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, and there we are. And once again, I'm going to change this to orange. And I'm just going to change the whole color of the title so that we can really see the difference. Okay, so this is our clone templates, and this is the original one. So that was easy too. So let's go back to Elementor. Now, it doesn't work for pop-ups and for the header and the footer. I tried with 3 different plugins and they all had the same behavior. So if I just do the same thing here, so you can see I have a pop-up. So I click on EA Duplicator. It looks like it worked, but if you look closely, so let me go back to pop-ups. So I can see it here and it looks like it worked, but look here, in the type, it's a page, not a pop-up. So if I open this and I try to publish it as a pop-up, it will not work. It's just going to behave as a page. So like I said, I tried with 3 different plugins that all have the same behavior. And it may be linked to the fact that all the theme builder features like the custom header and footer, the pop-ups, they're linked to your plan with Elementor Pro. So that might be linked, I'm not sure, but that's my theory. Now it may change in the future, and if it does, I'll create a new video tutorial and I will update you on the channel. But for the time being, it just works with pages, posts. It should work with the custom post types, and it works with the regular save templates in the Elementor library. So I hope that you got value out of this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps growing this channel. I can't tell you how much, so I would really appreciate it. Now, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel and you want more tutorials like this, and in general, you just want more digital alchemy goodness, make sure you subscribe and smash the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you in the next one. And in the meantime, don't forget to invest
in your success.